Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from Selangor, Malaysia. Today I am going to a place called Batu Caves here in Selangor, Malaysia. Now, Selangor is a province here in Malaysia. It's a huge province that is surrounding Kuala Lumpur. So Selangor is here, and then Kuala Lumpur is right in the center of Selangor. And Batu Caves is luckily not so far away from Kuala Lumpur. It's about 30 minutes by car from the center of Kuala Lumpur to the north. Before we begin the journey, like I always do, let's find something to eat first. Now, Batu Caves is one of the famous Hindu shrines here in Malaysia. So I think there are a lot of Indian restaurants, and this is the one I found right next to Batu Caves. Oh yeah, banana leaf. That's a funny name. Oh yeah, banana leaf. Let's go for this. Hello. It's a decent looking restaurant. Oh, they have AC in here. Very good. Alright, I have bamboo chicken biryani. One. And do you have mango lassi? Okay. Mango lassi. Okay. One mango lassi. One chicken biryani. Thank you. So you get the food here on banana leaf. Wow. And what is this?
Pudina chutney.
Ah, chutney. This one is
Raita.
okay. Okay, I did not understand what he said. Oh, wow. Here we have the bamboo biryani. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of food. And here we have some kind of like cracker. And I've tried to order something that's not biryani, but the staff here has recommended me to have biryani, so that's what I have. And let's wait for the mango lassi. And here we have the mango lassi, and this is it, finished. Okay, that's it. Let's try this cracker first. A little bit salty, not much of a flavor. I'm gonna dip it into this curry looking sauce. The soup is not so spicy. Something good. And here I'm gonna try this green looking sauce. Okay, it doesn't really have much of a taste. I don't know what this is. It's a little spicy. And the salad here. Okay, now I feel the taste. Okay, I think this is pepper, like ground pepper. It's spicy. Just a taste of pepper. Let's go for the salad here. Looks like yogurt. Yogurt with some cucumber, Okay. Good. And here, my biryani. Go for the rice first. Wow. That is very flavorful. Wow. As you can see, the color looks delicious. Let's try the chicken. Here is a piece of chicken. Wow. The chicken is actually a little sweet. It's sweet and spicy at the same time. Wow. Okay. Oh, we have something else. What is it? With the rice together? Soup. Okay. Now chicken and rice together. Here. I like the sweetness from the chicken. Good. It reduces the spiciness. Yeah. And I'm gonna try with the yogurt here. Yogurt salad with rice. Good. I don't think I'm gonna try this green chili right here. That's spicy. Wow. Now let's try mango lassi. Very sweet, fresh mango, very good. And the staff here gave me this yellow looking soup right here. I have no idea what this is. Oh, that's for dessert. That's for dessert, sweet. Wow. It's a little milky, sweet dessert. You like it? Yeah. Oh, the spiciness is building up more and more. Alright, this is going to be my last bite. A piece of chicken with some yogurt salad all together. I just finished my meal, washed my hands. Let's go for this dessert. Yellow looking drink. Oh, the spiciness just builds up more and more. Wow. Oh, so good to wash down the spiciness. Really good. I want to know what this is. Wow. Oh, there's a nut inside. finish off with my mango lassi. Everything's finished. My mango juice, the dessert, and biryani. The meal was 31 ringgit 95 cents, so almost 32 ringgit for one chicken biryani and one mango lassi. Now let's move to the Batu Caves. Here we are at Batu Caves. Now Batu means rock in Malay, so it basically means caves made of rocks. And the statue over there, the golden statue there, is a statue of Murugan, who is a god of victory and war in Hinduism. So why are there so many pigeons in here? God, this place is full of pigeons. And pigeon shits on the ground. Okay, anyways, that's the statue. And here is a little temple right next to the statue. This place is seriously full of pigeons because people feed the pigeons, I guess. Even this kid is feeding the pigeons. And the ground is full of pigeon shit. Now these are the stairs to the cave. Wow. This is going to be a good workout today. Good cardio workout. And there are some monkeys on the way to the caves. And I suggest you not to bring any food here because the monkeys will follow you. They want the food. Oh God, I'm quite tired. Whew. Let's move on. Hey! Hey, monkey boy. Woo! Here we are. I made it to the top. You actually get a cool breeze up here. This is what inside the caves look like. And wow, that is stunning. Very high. The cave is not so wide, but the roof is so high. And there are more stairs over there. A couple more stairs to the real top. Alright, here we are. This is the real final top. Whew. There's a small temple right here. It's not a temple, it's a praying place. Big no shoes. It's the roofs that make the caves so beautiful. It's all about the roof over here. Alright, it's time for me to get back down. The view of the Murugan statue from the middle of the stairs. And seriously, don't carry any kind of food in your hand when you come here, because these monkeys can get quite aggressive when they see food in your hand. And seriously, somebody do something about the pigeons over here. You don't want all the pigeon shit on the ground, do you? Look at the mess. Look at the mess. Full of pigeon shit. I think the government needs to do something about this. Well, anyways, that was a short trip of the Batu Caves, and this is the end of my video for today. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.